Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back here to Camaro's Not Coffee. Yes, have the Camaro shirt on even today, because today is a big one. It's day one of, well, kind of a two-parter, but I realized I didn't finish the last two-parter. I'm sorry about that. I will get back on that. It is Mid-Ohio weekend for the IndyCar series. So we are going right now. So we're going to go see that. I'm excited. Unfortunately, Camaro's not going today, but tomorrow. Tomorrow, you'll be going tomorrow. So today, just the Malibu, but that's okay. So we are going to hop in, and let's go. Wow, this is weird. Usually it's full of people, this entire thing, but now it's just a couple people here. All right, so we made it in. No temperatures, thank goodness. So right now the Mazda Cup is racing. Let's see if anybody. No, I think they're gone around the track. So they're racing right now. We're gonna go get a seat, sit down, and just start enjoying it. So I'll try to show you guys racing. You know, I might show you parts of the track and stuff. So we'll just see how it goes.
He's alongside. He's got a bender there. And he's gonna beat him a little rear. A little
All right, so we have our little box here. You see the orange lines? That's our box, and then we got some, of course, the camera. We got some good snacks here, so let's see what's in this one. I honestly don't remember. I packed it last night. Protein bar. I ate half of that just now. I'm not gonna lie. Protein bar, banana, carrots. This is a frozen water bottle. It doesn't matter. Grapes. What's else? Blueberries. Oh, a sandwich. I'm excited to eat that one later. A ham, egg, and cheese sandwich now. Sausage, egg, and cheese. My bad. What else we got? You gotta have snacks for days. Water, Gatorade, lemonade. Like, we are set, and we're stuck here for a bit. So actually the IndyCar starts in 5 minutes for the practice, so I can't wait to see these guys on track. All right, practice is starting, and I am walking right over by the track. I have got to see this, and I have no idea how loud these things are going to be. But I mean, I've seen NASCAR before, so here they come.
Davey Hamilton, and Davey is joining us.
They should be
The
coming.
green flag flies on the first practice session, and in preparation for this race, all of the media opportunities, all of the interviews, everything from virtual all the time.
Wow.
From what we normally see, but there's two of them, remember last year with Rosenquist and Dixon teammates almost taking each other out last year.
Wow, this is so cool. My God. That's awesome. Holy crap. There everybody is over there. So, of course, I'll wait until he goes. Beach goes. So, of course, this is turn 4. End of the straights up there, keyhole. And then down, turn 3, the kink, turn 4. Oh, this is crazy. I can't even believe I'm here right now. This is so cool. So we're gonna go back to our spot, sit down. Actually, I'm gonna take some. I got the camera. Like I said before in a couple videos ago, if it could record, I would, but it can only take pictures. Record it on the phone still. So I'm gonna take some pictures hopefully, and then I'm gonna go sit down and just watch. I mean, this is so cool. This is practice, one practice, and then there goes Hunter Ray. One practice, and then races later tonight. So this is so exciting. I'm just so excited. This is so cool. Oh my God. So I thought the NASCARs were loud, but oh my God. I mean, they are so loud. I mean, if I try to keep talking, you can't hear me. Like, it's so cool. gotten 500 feet from turn 4. They're hitting about 160, 170 here. So loud. Oh my. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm gonna keep watching practice, and I'll bring you guys back a little later. As practice continues, we have the masked police coming around. We're following the rules though, so we're good. Oh, look at him. Oh, he missed it. Oh, that was embarrassing. I just got that in film too. Oops. Won't tell him about that. Contact there. Ooh. All right, good start. Well, from the start, these guys seem a lot more unruly than the last ones. We had a lockup right in front of us, happened right down into 4, and he spun. But he's moving. He's moving. Are we gonna get it out? Are we gonna get out? Are we gonna get out? Oh, he got stuck now. All right, so it is time for our sandwich. Finally, lettuce, cheese, turkey. And some racing, of course. Wow. Qualifying session 1. Alright, so we're over by the start-finish line now, so you can see it's back here, start up there. Now, that's for, I think with IndyCar, they're actually going to start on the back straight at the secondary start-finish line. So actually the Mazda MX-5 Cup, you can see they're starting now, so they're gone. And then it's about an hour after this, we have our IndyCar race, race 1. So, yeah, tomorrow I will do more walking around and like seeing different parts of the track. Today I just want to watch. Tomorrow I'll get here early. You can hear me. Tomorrow I'll get here a little early and walk around, and then during the race I might fiddle around and see different parts too. So I can show you guys all different angles of this awesome track. So we're gonna go watch this race. Actually, we're gonna watch it from here, and then yeah, it's time for the big one. Alright, here we go. Command, start the race. In a second. And... well, I think I'm hearing more of the TV thing than over the actual cars, but we're going to get them go around on their parade lap, and then we'll get started the race, and I'll try to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. Alright, they're starting on the back straight. Here they come. Update 1 so far, we have reached first stage of pit stops and caution free. Before that, let's see, Power was leading, Newgarden was second, and Hunter-Ray was third. So let's hope it keeps going this way. Great race so far. right, there are 28 laps left. There is still some great racing going on. Caution free still. So, got a little back here, Dixon. So they're starting to pit again. Last stops. And yeah, maybe it'll go green the whole race. We'll see. And it looks like it was gonna rain, and they took that out, so that's awesome. So hopefully, hopefully they keep it like that. All right, the white flag is out. There's actually a couple raindrops coming down, but Willpower, that's Askew, Willpower is still leading. Last time around the track. We got Newgarden second, Rossi third, Rahal in fourth. Going for their last time. Ray, and there they go. So it looks like we narrowly avoided a caution because of the rain. So caution free entire time. Tomorrow there's a much higher chance of rain, so I'm hoping that that doesn't affect the race. But yeah, there's Scott Dixon there. 9th today, or 11th today, yeah, so there it is. Woo! Wave that. Okay, everybody, and that is going to conclude day one here at Mid-Ohio on this Saturday. It was a great day, great race, no cautions. The other series were awesome. So tomorrow I will be back in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but it might. I'm going to walk around the track a little more, show you guys around, maybe talk about different corners that I remember from doing the class. But right now I'm going to throw the video together and post it, hopefully overnight. So we'll see. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.